Good morning, contemporary coaching people. As promised, here is your assessment guidance video that's going to be placed on your Moodle site. If you found this already, you found it on the Moodle site, so well done. So you've got 2 points of assessment for this module. One is 40% coursework, and it's an individual standard written piece, 2,500 words. And the second submission is 60% group work, and it's a presentation of 30 minutes. I hope you've been enjoying the problem-based scenario learning thus far. The deadlines for these are Wednesday the 9th of December for the essay, which is week 11 of semester 1, and that's an online submission. And then the second deadline is Friday the 29th of April, which is week 12 in semester 2. So assessment point 1, we discussed this a little bit last week in the lecture, but in week 7, you will be presented with your first batch of ethical issues and scenarios from Emily Ryle. We'll go through the normal problem-based scenario process in terms of you guys ranking which one you want to take on as a challenge, and then we will give you either your first or second choice wherever that is possible. That is going to be the problem scenario that you will then write your essay on. Okay, so over the next 5 weeks, you guys will be working on those problems alongside compiling your essay, your own individual essay. Remember, it has to be your own individual work, even though the group work and the problem solving that we'll be doing within those groups will obviously contribute to the knowledge and your awareness of how to solve that problem. In week 10, we'll have assessment tutorials, so you can bring copies of your essay to us there, and your submission will then be in week 11, and that's online. Okay, any questions and queries about that, then that's absolutely fine. The actual brief is the following for that. Choose one aspect of a module covered thus far and critically apply theoretical constructs to articulate how you would manage change within the scenario you've chosen. And as I said, you will be presented with those scenarios in week 7 with Emily. The second part of your assessment then at the back end of semester 2 is a group work presentation, and this will be the summary of all of your work thus far, and it will be a single point of assessment, a presentation where you will show us as a group how you've solved the final set of problems. Okay, so you will submit your PowerPoint slides and accompanying resources online on that date, and then we'll give you a presentation date within the module time frames. Very simple title because it just says you will be presented with a problem set during the module that you guys will then present your solution on. It's 30 minutes. You will be expected to put together a very, very glossy set of supporting materials that help to answer your problem as you would do if you were going to an external consultancy. The support materials are limited to 3,000 words, and that is a single submission for the group. Okay, you will probably have to submit that piece of work along with the slides for your presentation individually, though, through the EMA electronic marking system online. So each one of you as an individual will submit that work online prior to presenting it. We also want to see a copy of your group contracts and meeting guides. That can be submitted when you bring your presentation to us. And just to let you know, you will all receive an individual mark for that piece of work. Hopefully that's helpful, just having this on video, and I'll see you in a lecture on Thursday. Thank you very much.